check it out, folks. My career as a roof installer, that career led to a career as a company owner, roof installer, babysitter, customer service representative, bus driver, taxi attendant, fight moderator, and all around go-to lad. Now it's evolving into major storm damage across the entire gosh darn province, turning me into a full-time damage evaluator. Heading down back alley country bumpkin wrong turn hills have eyes roads like this, boys. But anyways, pal, another frickin' storm damage property. Let's check them out. Got a half a dozen for you, boys. Let's do it. Well, folks, upon a gander, looks like there's some major trees down here, boy. Look at that, just missed the old Honeywell. That wouldn't have been fun. Yeah, there's some decent tree action. But yeah, you see, she hit that gutter. Treated it like shit. Scuffed up that cable. See them shingles up there. Have to get ourselves around this thing. Start by just looking it over. So we look it over, but don't overlook it, buddy. What lake's that, Ian?
This is Clear Lake.
Clear Lake, clearly. That was a new diving board. You could walk that right out, jump in the water. Man, this place got devastated. The whole forest fell over. Yeah, hit that back gutter. They said it was just gutter damage, but I think it might have hit the roof too. Damn near brought to her knees by trees, folks. But heck, did they get lucky. Can't see any roof damage anywhere. Just hit them gutters. Must have just been the smaller branches. But them smaller branches will still get you, boy. It's like branches of the government. Can't trust none of them. Look at all the stonework around here. A lot of work involved in that. This is all natural stones from around here. This whole shoreline's like this. Well, no question that, yeah, these folks got luckier than a scratch and sniff sweepstakes winner, boys. Some girthy wood laying awfully close to that log structure there, but hey, luck be with you. On to the next one. Half a month ago, a guy was asking me, what happens if the vegetation, you know, like the trees get laying over on the roof like that? Shouldn't they be keeping these trimmed back? Yeah, should always keep the bush trimmed back, pal. How would you like it if every time you got into a situation there's an overgrown bush? Nobody would like it. New roof, old roof, you get these branches rubbing on here like this, boys and girls, she's gonna chafe up something fierce. You working boys might know this, but listen, pal, there's no baby powder on this G-spot, buddy. Carrying on. Well, check her out, boys. Looks like that tree popped her top and put that tower in the Armenian leg lock. Yeah, buddy, she's got her in the Cobra clutch there, twisted up like Twisted Sister. Yeah, the only channel you're getting now is underground news. Broadcast from the basement. Caught him peeing in the woods, folks. Anyways, yeah, that'll twist you up. Leave your tower a mess. So looks like we're gonna be, you know, removing that tower, replacing these two pieces of gutter. Piece of the tree must have snapped off and carried on down because they wrecked this two sides of the gutter on this front porch. Pulled the tower out from the leg bolts up there. I can see that. There's a few cap missing under that. The shingles are all scuffed. Check it out, boys. Here's another one. Me and Ian, yeah, we're gonna storm this sucker from stern to sten, buddy. No question there. Roof report to do, quotational measurements, and guess what, folks? Even though this homeowner did put limb on the line, he must have a set of cojones on him, nice beefers. Because he got up there during the storm and put this tarp on it, folks. But guess what? She didn't keep the moisture out. She didn't do the job. Top's not tucked here, folks. Quick pointer. Shit runs downhill, ladies and gents. You can't have a negative lap on a roof. That's going to force water in. So, though he had the cojones to tarp it, it didn't keep the water out. But that's no concern for the lads like us. Me and Ian are going to tear into this. Get rid of that tarp. Slam down some ice and water shield. Seal this sucker up tight as a snare drum till we can get back to do the roof, folks. Keep asking me, why don't you just slam a couple shingles down and fix it, call it done? Well, guess what? If me and Ian are on the roof, we got our eyes set on the full job, buddy. We're not here to make a couple $100. We're here to stack projects, smash decks, and cash checks, folks. So we're gonna get this thing sealed up so she'll last a month or two. We can get one of the crews over here to knock this thing out, pal. Anyways, carrying on. Well, check it out, folks. Another one sealed the deal on her. It's like the chastity belt of roof in there. No hole exposed. See that, buddy? Even cocked the... And put a dab of caulk on the shiners, boys. That's top grade, top dollar, top quality work. Carrying on. All right, boys, another quotational coming down the old pipeline here. A little subdivision dabbler. Look at that, anchor's already in. Good to go, boys. Ooh, wildlife scenery. Anyways, pretty little straightforward there. Got it drawn up there. Away we go, boys. Off to the next one. Well, another girthy wood there laying on its arse like an unemployed piece of shit. Anyways, she hit about every single thing she could coming down. Bang that gable up there. Smoke your gutter. Do it all. Toast that gutter. Bang siding up on 4 sides. Jeez Louise, boys. Oh, check it out, folks. Mother Nature strikes again, pal. Taking her soft maple, slamming your boy's gable. Come on now. Took out the railing, probably shifted the deck, destroyed that. You can see it hit the chimney, hit the gable, put a gaper in it. Opened her up. Somebody put some underlayment over it. Oh yeah, she peeled the old gutter back there like a sardine can lid. Well, boys, got ourselves a little lakesider here. Tree came down, bam, hit that gable, buddy. Roofs needed to be done here for a while anyways. Shelso must threw some debris, banged up this trough here in a couple spots. Yeah, boys, back on Rice Lake. No islands today though. Also, I said check the boathouse for damage. Looks like all the cap come off. Tree maybe hit right here on the edge. Branches or something. Still not even sure if this is the boathouse or if this other building behind these bushes is a boathouse. But guess what? We'll just measure them both. Who cares? More the merrier. Right, Annie?
That's what I say.
That's what he always says. No question there. Anyway, she put the tug on the old tower there. You've seen that before. Yep. More storm damage. I'd say they got lucky. The only roof that got damaged is the one that hasn't been done on the whole property. Good times. Took the old tit top off that TV tower there, so channels are limited now.